Hi Mooniesss, welcome to my new tutorial. I start using the Marron Cream Blend Stick. I'm applying this all over my face and then I use my large brush to blend it out. Contouring the face with a darker green shade. Now I'm using some blue eyeshadow to contour my cheeks. Look how nice this looks! Fun fact, green and blue are two of my most favorite colors. Let's start off with the eyeshadow. The Jeffree Star Alien palette is my best friend here. Creating the lines for a deep effect. Using the darkest purple shade from the palette. Let's blend it out. It wasn't dark enough for me, so I use a little bit of navy blue. A thin white line to create a deeper effect. Let's make some shadows in the shade Ghost OG. Get a more deeper effect by using the shade Area 51. Switching over to the lips, for this I will be using a basic watercolor palette from Superstar. Black for the making of. The Epic Ink Liner from NYX Cosmetics to create some fantasy lines. I messed up here. A quick eyeliner tutorial because I've got this question a lot. I'm creating some details under the eye. Making my face more green with the eyeshadow shade Alien, still from Jeffree Star. Then my favorite part, lashes! Let's put on some gems to make my look more dreamy. Putting on lash glue where I want my glitters. Also one more thingy. The last part of this look is adding some gems. Look how pretty! Oh, I forgot. I'm also adding white in the inner corners of my eye to make my eyes look bigger. Adding a little bit of black for a more realistic effect. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry! I'm doing this behind the scenes. Sad but true, after 4 hours I'm getting rid of all this makeup. Finally! Thanks for watching, see you next week, bye!